Okay, so we have added the student price start to our attendances to just copy the price of the service and calculate how much a user must pay for all his attendances. Now we persist this value in our users table. And now we're going to calculate the price of the user's attendances based on the attendance status. So we will say that the student price start is how much the student is expected to pay based on the current service price. And student price final is how much he actually pays based on the status. What if he didn't attend? Possibly he shouldn't pay. What if he attended? He should pay. What if the status is planned? He shouldn't pay yet, possibly. So let's see how we can add it. First, we'll add the migration. Rails generate migration, add student price final to attendances. And I'm just going to copy what we have in add student price start and rename it to final. Now Rails db migrate and Rails server. And now we are going to calculate, we will go to our user.rb and we will calculate the student total, not based on student price start, but based on student price final. So on how much he actually should pay after the attendance status is finalized. Because now it is planned, should he really pay or should he not pay yet? So we're going to add some rules for this. And in our attendance RB, we're going to update the student price final based on the attendance status. Now, how can we do this? Let's create another callback. We'll say after save do. And we will say if status equals planned, we will have one value, else if status equals attended, we will have another value, else if status equals not attended, we will have another value, and an end statement. And in these three cases, we're going to update the column. We will update the column student price final with the column student price start. Now let's think. If the lesson is planned, student price final should be 0. If the lesson status is attended, student price final should be student price start. And if status is not attended, it should also be 0. So only if the student attended the lesson, he should pay for the lesson. Now let's make it also visible in our views, and let's add it as a money field. Let's monetize student price final as student price final cents, and let's make it also visible in the calendar. So first we'll have visible how much the student is expected to pay, and next how much the user actually pays. Let's go to the calendar, and now we have attendance student price start cents, and we will also have student price final cents. And let's put some kind of dash like this. Okay, so we have two prices, how much he's expected to pay and how much he actually has to pay. So now if we just create a new lesson, let's make it February 14th, and go to the student page, the student total should be 0 because he has 8 attendances, but everywhere the status is planned, so he doesn't have to really pay anything. Now let's edit the attendance status. We will go to this lesson. Actually, I will open this lesson, make the attendance status to attended, and we see the price changed. I will change this lesson's status to the student's status to attended, update lesson, the price changed. So in total, it must be 18 plus 17, 35. Let's refresh the student's page, and it is 35. So like this, we can calculate how much the student has to pay based on his attendance status. If he attended the lesson, then he pays. If he didn't attend the lesson, if it is planned or not attended yet, then he shouldn't pay for the lesson. And what have we done? We have added a student price final field to our attendances. Then we calculate the user student total based on the student price final, not just the student price. And in attendance RB, we update the student price final based on the attendance status. And that's it.